Hey everyone, how are you doing today? I hope they're having an absolutely lovely day. It's time to unbox my Ipsy. My Ipsy came late again this month. So it seems to be a running trend with them where it's just been coming late, but it feels nice and bulky. Sometimes it comes like super lightweight and thin and I'm like, are you sure that there's anything in there? But it feels like there's boxes, so that makes me hopefully think that it's makeup. If you haven't heard of Ipsy before, Ipsy is a beauty sample subscription service, but it's based around the fact that you can take a quiz to hopefully let them know the sort of things that you want to receive. So I have mine very makeup heavy. I don't want to receive skincare stuff, so hopefully that's what I have in here today. Today I'm feeling fancy and I'm actually using one of my teacups. This little set is cool. It's stamped Royal Sealy China out of Japan, which is cool. It's hilarious. I'm like not using them together like you're supposed to. Here, I'll do this the more proper way. There we go. But today I'm drinking black tea from China. It's called Golden Monkey. It's from Tea Viver, and I know I've talked about it with you guys before, so I won't go on forever about it, but it's wonderful. It's mellow and sweet, and I think its most predominant flavor is sweet potato. It's so good. Yes. Let's get into the Ipsy bag. Okay, there's something on the outside. So sometimes I put things on the outside of the bag if it won't fit in the actual little makeup bag they send. So yes, I have a brush here from MOTD. This is called the Lighting Crew brush, which makes me think that perhaps it is a highlighting type brush. It's nice and soft. I'm always happy to get brushes. I'm not a fan of these chunky handles. They don't fit as well in my little containers, but I am always happy to get a brush from Ipsy, and I do use them. So let's see the actual bag. So the bag is gold, and actually on the back it says Stay Golden and has this cute little pull. First, let's pull out the card that tells us the theme for the month. Stay Golden is the theme. It says this month, everything you touch is turning to gold. Dust on your favorite highlight. Pat on a shimmer shadow and let the world see you shine. And then on the inside of the little card is all the info about the products that they sent me. So let's get into this. First I pull out a little box. Oh, this is super cute. This is from Nomad Cosmetics. Oh dear, and this is not English, but it's an eyeshadow. It says it's a fantastically soft shimmer honey gold eyeshadow with extra fine pigments infused with rosehip oil for magical color payoff. All right, I feel bad trying to get into this box. I feel like I'm gonna ruin the cute little packaging. There we go. I have received a little eyeshadow like this from Nomad before, except that one was a matte, so I haven't received a shimmer before from them. Ooh, pretty. And yeah, that's just a straight up gold eyeshadow. It's like I'll be having sparkly eyelids today. I do like to try everything on at the end. Okay, next, some sort of a pencil. This is from Item Beauty. This is the Brow Chow Ultra Fine Brow Definer in the shade Medium Brown. It's got this interesting little tag on it. What's this? It says it's a dual-ended, smudge-proof, sweat-proof brow pencil. Dual-ended. So on one side we have the pencil, which is the triangular shaped type, which I don't have a ton of experience with those. I'm not really drawn to them per se. And the other side, oh, I haven't ever used one of these before, but I've seen them. It's got like a little toothbrushy thing, but for your eyebrows. I'm very interested to try that out today. Okay, and we have a little box. Looks like we got a lipstick. This is from Real Her. This is the Girl Power Moisturizing Lipstick in the shade Mauve, which is a good shade for me. I like it when they send me mauve. Let's open it from the other end. I can't get it out that side. Oh my goodness, this is so cute. It's a little mini lipstick. It's so small. I really like mini makeup. Okay, so there is the color. It looks nice. And I don't know if you can see it, but it has the stamp on the bullet that looks really pretty. Let's roll it down and give a little swatch. Is it just me, or is like that bullet super pointy? Like, whoa. Oh, it feels really creamy. And that's the shade I wear, so hopefully it works. Hopefully I like how it feels on the lips. Oh, I just love that little mini lipstick. That is so cute. So far, this is a really, really good bag, making up for last month's bag, which was very sad. Lastly, we pull out a tub from Way. So this is the Scalp and Body Scrub. Okay, so we have one item that isn't makeup, but this is a great non-makeup item. Pull back the seal. Oh, it smells really, really good. Honestly, quite perfumey, but it might be really, really nice. Oh, I can't wait. All right, that is going in my shower. But let's see, we have an eyeshadow, a highlight brush, an eyebrow pencil, and a lipstick to try. So I'm gonna get my base makeup on and I will be right back. Okay, I have some base products down. I put on the Believe Beauty foundation, which I'm currently testing and loving. And by the way, my Project Pan blush, a little bit of Tarte bronzer. Let's put on some highlights. So I'm just gonna use my little mini Mary Luminizer to test out this highlight brush. I never know how much to put on the brush. And let's dust it up. Oh, I got a bit much. We'll try and buff that in. Thankfully, Mary Lou isn't incredibly intense. But I did put on a bit more than I wanted. Whoops. That's okay. When it comes to powder highlights, I do like to spend a little bit of time really buffing them in. I don't want like a stripe along my cheek, you know? Just a bit of a glow. So I feel like this is working out okay. Try and get the same amount for the other side. Probably not my favorite application, honestly. I feel like it's not buffing in as well as I like. But this size of brush is super handy for doing things like setting your under eye, makeup, or even just spot powdering or whatever. So I know I'll use the brush, and it is a nice soft brush. It's gonna take the damp sponge that I used to put on my foundation and just kind of press that into the skin a little bit. Okay, let's try out this super fun little brow pencil things. All right, so I'm just gonna use that fun little brush to brush through my brows first. My goodness, I'm glad you guys aren't as close as I am right now to see how much cleaning up and some plucking I need to do. I mean, I know natural brows are in, but you know, sometimes you gotta get in there, fix it up a little bit. Okay, let's try this little triangle tip applicator. So the actual point on the top is really, really small. So I feel like I could do more detail work with that. So let's see, because I don't like a super overdone brow. Start with the tail end first until we see how pigmented it is. I don't know, guys. I'm not very good at brows. I prefer something that's really, really easy. And when something is an odd shape, I never know like how to turn it, what side to use. But the actual color is a good color for me. And I just finished off my eyebrow pencil and I currently don't have one, so I will definitely be using this more on a daily basis to have more of a review later. Despite my reservations about the shape of the applicator, I do feel like the brow turned out okay. Let's try the other side. Okay, not my favorite job I've ever done, but I'm just gonna roll with it. Or maybe never mind, maybe I'll just keep fixing it. Okay, whatever, I'm moving on from the brow. Yeah, so far I like the color, not so much the shape of the applicator. This worked out fine. It was okay. I think I still prefer a regular spoolie, but it's fun to play with, you know? Okay, let's skip the eyes and go straight to lips. We'll come back to eyes in a second. I really want to put on this little mini lipstick. Again, this was the Girl Power lipstick in the shade Mauve. And when I swatched it, it felt super balmy, which I prefer. I don't like a really heavy, thick lipstick. And the point is really great. It'll be nice for getting the lips just right. I applied just a sheer layer, and I do like the color. It's a color that I feel like I could wear any time of year. Okay, let's do eyes. I was trying to decide what I wanted to do because I do have things I need to do today, and I didn't know if I wanted a super glittery gold eyeshadow on, but I figure if it's just too much, I'll just wipe it off when I'm done. So I'm gonna start with some eye primer. Like how I really, really don't like my brows. They look so messy, and it's just because, yeah, I'm just used to a much more precise pencil. Okay, I'm just gonna take a neutral shade from my Going Coconuts palette to put in the crease. I'm gonna use this one here called Lovely Bunch that I have been working on panning for a while. At the start of my last update, I was kind of tired of working on it, but I still seem to be reaching for it. I just realized I forgot the tight line. I'm gonna do that real quick with my Wet n Wild Simma Brown Now pencil. Okay, now let's go into this gold shade. So again, this is a shade, oh, it's in Spanish. Ires El Mundo. I'm very sorry, I do not quite know how to say it, but I think I'm going to start with it more on like the center and outer portion of my eye and then see if I want to bring it in closer to the inner part of my eye. Okay, so starting here. Oh my, it is beautifully vibrant and sparkly. Really, really fun. I think I'm just gonna leave it on the outer portion of my eye and get some more and do it on the other side. All over the eye would be pretty too. I'm just trying not to go too intense today because I would like to not have to wipe my makeup off. There, I think I, for the most part, have it even on both sides. To finish off the look, I'm going to use my Thrive Cosmetics eye brightener in the shade Stella. I'm just going to put that on the inner part of the lid and the inner corner. It's a bit more understated for every day. I'm so close to finishing this off. Look at that. There's only a little bit left. And put that to highlight the eyebrow as well. Okay, now mascara. I'm going to use my Ilia Beauty one. Okay, then I'm just going to finish off with a little bit of spray. Okay, I think that this bag was a huge redeeming bag compared to last month. Last month I was so bored and I really enjoyed the things they sent me this month. There was only one non-makeup product and I really like this type of thing. And it's from a brand I recognize, so big bonus points. I like the lipstick, I like the brush, I like the eyeshadow, and the brow thing, I'll have to try more to see what I think. All right, that's it for me, guys. If you also get Ipsy, please let me know down below. What did you get in your bag? I always find it very interesting, the different variations that are out there. And what did you think? Was it a good bag? Thanks for watching today, guys. Thanks for hanging out with me. I'll see you soon in my next video. Bye.